Feeling stuck? Clear the fog. It's time to lift the haze and see clearly. Ever feel like your brain is stuck in first gear, unable to shift? That hazy feeling like you're wading through mud is called brain fog. It's frustrating, isn't it? It can make even the simplest tasks seem monumental. This mental fog can really put a damper on your productivity and creativity, making it hard to think clearly. When your mind is cluttered, it's hard to focus and get things done efficiently. You might find yourself procrastinating or making careless mistakes, which only adds to the frustration. This lack of clarity can make even simple tasks feel overwhelming and unmanageable. So how do we clear this mental fog and unlock our full potential? It starts with small, consistent changes. Simple daily habits can make a world of difference. Prioritize sleep, drink plenty of water, and start your day refreshed. Nourish your body with healthy foods that fuel your brain and body. These basic needs directly impact your cognitive function and overall well-being, helping you to feel more energetic and focused. Breaking free from comfort zones is a powerful and transformative experience. Humans are creatures of habit, often finding solace in the predictability of daily routines. We crave comfort and familiarity, seeking out environments and activities that make us feel safe and secure. This often leads us to stay stuck in our comfort zones, even when we know deep down that change is necessary for growth and personal development. Fear is often the root cause of resistance to change, holding us back from reaching our full potential. We fear the unknown, the possibility of failure, and the discomfort that comes with stepping outside of what we know and are accustomed to. But what if we could reframe our relationship with fear, seeing it not as a barrier but as a guide? What if we could view fear as a compass, guiding us towards growth and opportunity? Start small, take that first step. Break down daunting goals into manageable steps, making the journey less overwhelming and more achievable. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who inspire and uplift you, and watch as you begin to thrive outside your comfort zone. Section 3. Going viral from mind to millions. Now let's talk about going viral. It's the dream of every content creator, isn't it, to see their work spread like wildfire across the internet. Imagine your message, your creation, reaching millions of people around the world. The impact can be monumental. It's an exciting thought, isn't it? The thrill of seeing your content resonate with so many. It all starts with impactful content that resonates with your audience. Content that speaks to their hearts and minds. To create content that connects, you need to understand your audience. What are their interests? What drives them? What problems are they facing? Authentic engagement is key. Listen to their feedback and adapt. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and build a community around your content. Timing is everything. Be present and active. Pay attention to trends and current events. They can provide a boost to your content's relevance. Tap into the emotional landscape of your audience. Emotions drive engagement. Craft content that evokes emotions, whether it's joy, inspiration, or even a touch of humor. Make them feel something. Section 4. Unleash your potential. By clearing your mind and embracing change, you unlock a world of possibilities. You become more productive, more creative, and more adaptable to the ever-changing world around you. Going viral becomes a natural byproduct of this growth. Remember, success is not an overnight phenomenon. It's a journey of consistent effort, self-improvement, and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. Start today. Clear the fog, break free from limitations, and unleash your full potential. The world is waiting to hear your voice.